how to convert USDC to USDT in OKX. Hello everybody, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll teach you how you can convert USDC to USDT in OKX. Kindly follow these steps to do so. The first step is to log into your OKX account just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, you'll be brought to the page where you would see the current rate of cryptocurrencies, okay? And then once you can see this, the next thing to do is to move to the top left corner of the screen and click on the dots that you can see there. After you click on it, you'll be taken to your profiles page where you see your email, you see profile and settings, and then you'll see other options as well. If you've not verified your account, the first thing you should do in converting USDC to USDT is to verify your account. This is because without verifying your account or your identity, you will not be able to do anything of sort. So the next thing is to click on verify. So click on get verified, and then you'll be redirected to the page. Click on verify now, and then on the verify now's page, you'll be taken to another page entirely to continue your verification process. You have to select your country, select your ID type, etc. And then once you're done and you've verified, this unverified will change to verify, and then you are now eligible. So after verification, the next thing is to go to the manage assets tab, scroll down, and then click on withdraw. After clicking on withdraw, you'll be taken to the withdrawal page. On this page, you'll be asked to select the withdrawal option, do so, and then choose USDC as the asset to withdraw. Alright, and after selecting it, opt for internal transfer, fill in the recipient's phone number, etc. Specify the amount of USDC you'd want to send, submit the transaction. Before then, you also see the option of conversion, okay? Still on that same page. Just check through the page, check through the prompt, and then you'll be directed on what to do. Doing this is very simple. Just follow the processes that I've stated here and you are good to go. Alright. But while transferring, remember to select the correct network for your crypto withdrawals and deposits, and you are good to go. Thanks for watching and have a good day.